So you want to create videos here on YouTube, but one thing is holding you back: your background. Do you feel like it's boring, or that you have so many clusters behind you? Well, there's no need to worry. I've got the perfect solution for you. And guess what? It's free. Oh, by the way, this background is fake.
Glad you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.
In this video, I will be showing you a very simple way to make a fake background for your videos using AI. Guys, AI is here to stay, and I encourage all of us to plug in, learn how to use it, especially as content creators. It has so many opportunities. We can navigate through it and we can do great things out of AI. In this tutorial, you can create the background with your phone, or you can use your computer. Whichever works best for you, go ahead and do it. Just do what's most convenient for you. But for the purpose of this video, I will be using my phone. You will need two main apps for this. The first is Leonardo.AI. So this is where you will put in your prompt, and the AI would generate cool images for you to use. It will suggest beautiful images based on your prompts for you to use as your backdrop. But I did my research for you guys, because I always want to find alternatives for you. And I also found out a different alternative called Freepik. That's also an app that you can also download on your phone or use on your computer. It's called Freepik. So now I've given you two apps that you can use: Leonardo.AI or Freepik. All these are places where you can get your images for your backdrop. Next, you will need CapCut. So this is the software that we will be using to edit our videos. I've been using CapCut for a while now, and I find the app to be really cool. It has really fun editing features, and it's very easy to use. So yeah, that's CapCut for you. So if you've never used it, try it and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Now that you have all your apps ready and set, let me teach you how to create magic. But before that, I know that you're gonna love the gems that I'm gonna be dropping, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want more content like these. And yeah, let's go.
All right guys, so the first thing we will be doing is go to the App Store if you use an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you use an Android. So I'm gonna go to the App Store, and as you can see, I gonna search ChatGPT. I forgot to mention this earlier, but ChatGPT, it can generate specific prompts for you to put in your AI, in your Leonardo.AI app, because sometimes your descriptions has to be very specific. So I'm gonna download it here. So now we're gonna download our Leonardo.AI app, which is right here. This is how it looks, guys, like this. So I'm gonna download that. Next, we can download our Freepik app. This is how you spell it, Freepik, right here. So we'll download it. Next, if you don't have CapCut, you download CapCut, but I already have it, so it's right here. So what we will do next is go to Freepik. We're gonna start with Freepik. For Freepik, you don't need ChatGPT's specific descriptions. You can just type, let's say, YouTube Studio background. So we have this, you get a free options, really cool options. So this is the one that I used. These are also really cool and fun ones. So let's see which one we're gonna use. Which one should we use, guys? These are a lot of options. We're gonna be using this one. So you download it. We can also go to ChatGPT. We are on ChatGPT right now, and we're gonna say, give me a list of descriptive background that I can use for my YouTube video. Give me about 10 lists. I need a very professional backdrop. Then you put it, and it gives you these brilliant descriptions. I asked for 10, so it's gonna give me exactly 10. So as you guys can see, it says number 1, we have sleek and modern office setting with minimalist decor and a city skyline backdrop. 2, we have elegant library background with rich mahogany bookshelves and leather armchairs. We also have sophisticated studio setup with soft neutral tones and professional lighting. So we have all these. Honestly, I don't know which one to pick. I'm gonna pick the third one. So I copied that, and now I'm gonna go to Leonardo.AI, and you go to image generation. Then on prompt, you type your prompt, you paste it, then you add background to the description. Hopefully we get a good one. So you generate. Sometimes you get better ones, sometimes you don't. It depends on how specific your description is. So we have cool ones. We have a lot of cool ones. Let me save this one too. What we're gonna do now is go to CapCut. So this is CapCut. You go to new project, and you go to photos. You select the image that you just got. So let's try this one. No, let's try this one. Yes. So we get this, go to add, and this is your image. So we're gonna drag the image to the length of our video. You can always drag it furthermore if you need to. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to overlay, and we're gonna add overlay. And here we're gonna go to videos and add the video that we wanna edit. So let's say this one.
Yes, so that brings,
and this is the video. As you guys can see, my original background, it was a plain background. So I did it on a wall. I mean, it's not bad, but let's say I filmed it at a place where perhaps I had so many clothes behind me and the place just doesn't look pleasant. Or if I just want to change things up in my videos, this is what you can do. So now that we have this, we will click on it on the video, and then we will scroll here, go to remove background, auto removal, and it will do this for you automatically. So auto removal, and as you can see, it says applying auto removal. So it's gonna take some time. Woohoo! Yes guys, so this is what we get, and you can position it however you want to. So the next thing what we can do next is go back to remove background, go to auto removal, and this time we go to stroke. So these are all pros, meaning you have to pay. So what I thought of is to go to solid color and choose black, go to the out layer all the way to 0, and then lower the opacity of it as well. Okay, so this is what I thought that I could do to deal with that white outline that we see.
yes, so that brings us to
So
the
it
end
was
of
good,
this video.
yes,
I hope you,
but I just For me, I just decided I will keep it with the outline. But if you want your work to be very beautiful, I suggest you do this method. But see, without the outline, this is how it looks. Yes. So yeah, this is it.
So that brings us to the end of this video.
And feel free to play around with the app. You know, you can play around with it and change the filters to make everything just blend in. But this is what I have for you guys. So you can go ahead and save your video. Yes guys, so this is your video. So this is how you can
I hope you
put
really
a background
enjoyed this
on your
really,
video.
So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. You really found the tutorial helpful. If you want more content like these, kindly make sure to subscribe to my channel. I create tutorial videos, I create nursing content, I document my journey as a nursing student, and basically vlog my life. So if you're interested about my nursing journey, kindly subscribe. And if you're interested about tips and tricks on how to navigate through YouTube, then kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.